Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and stay home safely. Okay, I am your GK teacher of LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar. So, in previous video I teach you about the animals habitats. We learn of something animals habitats as forest, mountains, deserts, wetlands, Arctics and Antarcticas, and then savanna. These are the habitats of some animals we have learned in previous video. Now today I am going to explain you the next topic, that is topic 2, wild cats. In wild cats here, it is a large cat with yellowish brown fur and black rings. It lives in Southwest America. It bites directly through the skull between the ears to deliver a fatal blow to the brain. I repeat again, it is a large cat with yellowish brown fur and black rings. It lives in Southwest America. It bites directly through the skull between the ears to deliver a fatal blow to the brain. I think it is jaguar. What the name of that particular wild cat? That is jaguar. So today I am going to explain you about each and every wild cats. First is jaguar. Jaguars are great hunter and can prey upon large animals. It is a very great hunter. It prey upon it always be prey upon a large animals. Unlike most big cats, rather than the other big cats, it always be prey upon large animals. It loves water. Jaguar always loves water. It weighs up to 95 kg and run at the speed of 80 km per hour. It can live up to 15 years in the world. It can be in the world. How many years it can live? It can be live up to 15 years. It eats deer, fish, bird and monkeys. It eat, what is the food of the jaguar? They eat deer, fish, bird and monkeys. Okay. Now come here, second one. Second one is black panther. Second one is black panther. Black panther live chiefly in the hot, dense, tropical rain forest. Black panther live chiefly in the hot, dense, tropical rainforests of South and Southeast Asia. South and Southeast of Asia. They are mainly in southwestern China, Burma, Nepal, southern India, Indonesia and the southern part of Malaysia. Got it? They are mainly, black panthers are mainly found in the places that is southwestern China, Burma, Nepal, southern India, Indonesia and the southern part of Malaysia. Black leopards are more common than light colored leopards. So black leopards are also very common with that black panthers, but they are common with than light colored leopards. Okay, see here. Its name is the common name for the black specimen of cat family. It can hunt and kill heavy animals of up to 650 kilos. What is that particular wild cat? Do you know the answer? This is black panther. This is black panther. Now come to the next, that is third one. They have short tail and a tuft of hair on the tips of ears. They have large paws and long whiskers on the face. Hunting them is illegal in many countries. In many countries, it is very illegal to hunt this type of wild cats. Do you know which are that cats? Which is that cats? Linux. Which is Linux. So I will explain you more about Linux. Linux are generally found in moist boreal forests. Linux are generally found in moist boreal forests that have cold snowy winters. And a high density of their favorite prey. What are they? The snowshoe hare. It can be found throughout much of the boreal forest. Linux cats are mostly found in the boreal forest of Alaska and Canada. Boreal forest of Alaska and Canada. It means Linux types of cats are found in boreal forest of Alaska and Canada. Now see here, come here, that is fourth one. It hunts by speed. It is the fastest of all land animals and can reach up to the speed of 120 km per hour. 120 km per hour. Its chest is deep and waist is narrow. The fur is torn with small round black spots. Head is small with high set eyes. Do you got it? What is the name of this wildcats? Yeah, this is cheetah. So I will explain you more about cheetah. See here, this is cheetah. Cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. Cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. It is the fastest land animal, estimated to be capable of running at 80 to 128 kilometers per hour. 80 to 128 kilometers per hour. See here, next one, that is fifth one. It is also called the cougar. It is found in southern Andes of South America. It is also called the cougar. It is found in southern Andes of South America. It is mainly found its main food is deer, and it weighs up to 90 kilometers. It cannot roar. Do you know the name of this particular animal? Yeah, the name of the particular is puma, which is also known as cougar. Puma, spelling is Puma. Little more details we will learn about the animal puma. Puma is also called the cougar. It is found in southern Andes of South America. It lives 10 to 20 years in its lifetime. It can be born any time of the year, but most litters are born from June to September. Pumas are born in any time in the year, but mostly they are born from June to September. A female puma or cougar will give birth 3 months after mating. After mating, a cougar or a puma deliver his baby within 3 months. A range of 1 kitten to 6 kittens. It may be 1 kitten also. It may be minimum 1 kitten and maximum 6 kittens. can be born by the same cougar, or puma mother. It means, got it? Puma is also called the cougar. Its life is 10 to 20 years, complete total lifetime. It can be born any time in the year, but mostly they are born from June to September. A female puma can born a kitten minimum 1 and maximum 6 at one time. So born by the cougar puma or mother. Now come to the next, that is 6-1. See here. It is a large, powerful animal. It has yellowish brown fur. The male has a mane and weighs between 150 to 225 kilograms. It is the second largest cat. Do you guess which type of wild animal cat this is? Yes, this is lion. Lion is the second largest cat. So we will learn something more in detail about the lion. See here, lion is a large, powerful animal. It has yellowish brown fur. It has a beat force of only 650 psl, which is not much stronger than the hardest biting domestic dog. If you compare a lion's teeth with dog's teeth are more sharper than the lion's teeth. Dog's teeth are more hardest biter than the lion's teeth. But lions are social creatures. That hunts in groups. Lion always hunts in groups and consumes their kills where it falls. When they hunting an animal or deer, it falls at what particular place the hunted animal is fall. The group of lions were consumed that particular dead body of that animal on that particular place only where the animal has fall down. So clear to this much? Now come to the last topic, last one, that is, see here, it is the largest and heaviest cat in the world. The stripes vary from brown to pure black on golden fur. A male can weigh up to 320 kg. The form and density of stripes differ between them, but most have in excess of 100 stripes. Can you guess what type of wildcat this is? Yes, this is tiger. This is tiger. So I am going to explain you in more detail about the tiger. This is our last wildcats. See here, tiger is the largest and heaviest cat in the world. In whole world, tiger is the only largest and heaviest cat. The stripes vary from brown to pure black on golden furs. The tigers are powerful hunters. Very powerful hunters with sharp teeth, strong jaws and ugly bodies. Tigers are adept swimmers. They often go into the water to escape flies. They often go into the water to escape flies or to cool off. When they are feeling hot, then also they go into the water to cool off. And can easily cross river and lakes. And can easily cross river and lakes. How they easily cross river and lakes? Because they know swimming. Because tiger must know the swimming, so the tiger can easily cross rivers and lakes 5 miles, that is 8 kilometers wide. By this explanation of chapter 2 wildcats is over. So please listen this video carefully, go through it, and I will give you the assignment with PDF, so solve it. Thanks to all of you. Take care and stay at home. Don't roaming here and there. Be care of you all. Bye.